Okay, this is my cousin firing his potato cannon. Count it down. Or just shoot.
That one wasn't even as loud. But, let's do another one.
Okay. Might want to grab the 40 horse before it puts itself away. Look at that, it's like lining itself up perfectly to be put away.
Yeah, basically.
And now it's just kind of drifting.
It's like nothing under what it's gonna do.
Who knows? Rocket science is a magical thing.
Oh.
Guess you just have to add more.
The pin fell off now.
That works too.
See? Nope. Gotta add more.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Pretty cool.
Gonna do another one? Oh, we don't have any
Solar
more.
potatoes.
Okay, well then that's it.